In today's video, I'll show you how to check which version of Windows you're using on your PC or laptop. This method works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it only takes a few seconds. So let's get started. First, click on the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Winver, that's W-I-N-V-E-R. Once you see the Winver command in the search results, click on it to open it. A small window will appear showing detailed information about your Windows installation. Here, you can see the Windows Edition, version number, and OS build. For example, on my computer, I'm running Windows 11 version 25H2. If you're using Windows 10, you'll see the same type of information. The steps are exactly the same, so this method works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11 without any differences. This is one of the quickest and easiest ways to check your Windows version, and it's especially useful if you're asked for your version while getting technical support or before installing an application that has specific system requirements. Knowing your Windows version can be very helpful when you're installing new software, troubleshooting problems, updating drivers, or following online tutorials that require a specific Windows release. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.